My dear students, in this question it is given that there are 4 particles performing SHM. Amplitude of each SHM is A and mean position is also same for all particles, and it is given as origin. Okay, if we represent this, suppose this is x equal to 0, that means this will represent the mean position or equilibrium position. In each case amplitude is A, then x equal to plus A, this will represent to positive extreme position, and here we consider x equal to minus A, and this will represent to negative extreme position. This direction is positive, right side is positive. We have to select the options according to this. In list 1 4 graphs are given, in list 2 4 options are given, we have to match them. Okay na? Let's check option first, option A. According to this xt graph, at t equal to 0, this graph starts from origin, that means x equal to 0. That means at t equal to 0, if x equal to 0, then particle will be at origin. In first option, particle is written, particle is initially at origin. In A option, at t equal to 0, particle is origin, then this will match from first option. That means answer of A is first. If we talk about slope of the graph, velocity is given by dx by dt. At any instant, velocity of particle will be dx by dt. This is xt graph, then dx by dt will represent slope of the graph. If we have to check for velocity, then we will check about slope of the graph. If at t equal to 0, slope is checked, then slope is positive. That means velocity of the particle will be positive, that means non-zero. In third option, it is written that velocity is initially at, particle is initially at rest, then this is incorrect. In second option, it is given that particle is initially on left hand side, this is incorrect because initially particle is at origin. In fourth option, it is written that particle is initially on right hand side, this is also incorrect. Then answer of option A is first. Then in first option, A, option of answer of A is written as 3, this is incorrect. In fourth option also, answer of A is written as second, this is also incorrect. Then either B, second, or C, third. We have to check among between these two options. Okay na? For this, let's check for option B. According to this graph, at t equal to 0, value of x is plus a by 2. If at t equal to 0, particle is at plus a by 2, that means position of particle is here. At t equal to 0, particle is present at plus a by 2, that means on right side of origin. On right side of origin. In second option, it is written that particle is initially on left hand side of origin, this is incorrect. Fourth option, particle is initially on right hand side of the origin, and if we check for slope, then at this point slope of the graph, slope of tangent is positive, that means velocity is positive. If at this position velocity is positive, that means particle is moving in positive direction, that means in this direction, that means away from the mean position, that means away from origin. In fourth option, it is written that particle is initially on right hand side of origin and moving away from the origin. Then answer of option B is fourth. Answer of option B is fourth. In option 2, answer of B is given as 4, and in option 3, answer of B is given as 3. That means only option second is correct. Hence final answer is 2. From exam point of view, this is sufficient. Just tick option second and move on. If we have to learn all these things, then just for learning purpose, check option C. According to option C, at t equal to 0, position of particle is at minus a. That means if at t equal to 0, particle is at x equal to minus a, that means at negative extreme position, and we know in SHM at extreme position velocity is 0, that means initially particle is at rest. Here if we check for slope, then slope of tangent at this point will be 0. Then initially particle is at rest. Answer of C is option third. Answer of 3 will be third. Answer of C is third. The same way we can check for option D. At t equal to 0, graph starts from minus a by root 2. That means at t equal to 0, particle is at x equal to minus a by root 2. That means left of origin or mean position. Particle is initially on left hand side of origin. Moving towards origin, just check for velocity. That means just check for slope of tangent. At this point, slope of tangent is positive. That means velocity of the particle is positive. That means particle will be moving in positive direction. Velocity is in this direction. That means towards mean position or towards origin. Hence, answer of D is option second. Particle is initially on left hand side of origin and moving towards origin. This is for learning purpose and final answer is second. Thank you.